Hello mga guys. Welcome to my vlog, Len Marie Musra, OFW Jordan with Love. Have a nice day everyone. Guys, may ipakita ako sa inyo nga assorted pot. Mga pots dyan guys, oh. Ginalutuan kang mga soup. Very, very beautiful. Guys, oh. Amo ni ang amon nga ginalutuan kang mga soup, mga guys, oh. Very beautiful, guys. Assorted. May mga hole siya sa gilid. Amo na, guys. Very beautiful, mga guys. Kung sa Pinas pa ang tawag daw kuron. Kuron, ano dyan? Very beautiful, mga guys. I will open for you. Charan! This is inside. This is a small pot. Kung gusto mo nga small lang soup ang ilutuon mo, you can use this one. This one is big. And the other one, there is a orange color of the pot. The cover. Amo dyan nga sa sulod. This is the inside, mga guys. With orange cover. This is very good for making a soup. This one. So nice, mga guys. I love it. Please like and follow me. Share also, mga guys. Thank you for watching. Love you all. OFW Jordan with Love. Len Marie Musra. Tapos na guys. Pagid guys, oh. Mula na sulod na guys. Kung ano pa sa Pinas, this is kuron. Guys, no? This one. This is small. This one. Assorted pot. This is heavy, mga guys. Heavy. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Assorted pots. In Pinas, we call this kuron. Kuron or anglet. Love you all, mga guys.